Smart Sensors Incorporated has been a nationally recognized and active manufacturer and seller of quality industrial RTD and thermocouple elements and temperature assemblies for nearly 25 years. Now, SSi is a proud part of the expanding SOR family of companies. You can now access these products under the SOR name brand and provide your customers with a broader range of quality temperature solutions when the need arises. The concept of thermoelectricity was discovered back in 1821 by an Austrian physicist by the name of Thomas Seebeck. Fundamentally, he discovered that when you join two dissimilar metals, such as iron and constantan, you generate a small electric current, measured in millivolts, that is proportional to the temperature change at the hot or measurement junction, so long as there is a difference in temperature at the second junction, known as the cold junction. Following Seebeck's discovery, over the years different dissimilar metals were used, and a number of standard combinations emerged and are now industry standards. Smart Sensors offers the following 5 standard calibrations, with type K and J being the most common. Each calibration has an industry standard color code for the lead wires, as shown in the above chart, along with a published limit of air for each type, including the premium grade, which uses higher purity grades of the 2 conductors used in each calibration. For each degree measured, the thermocouple, based on the metals used, will generate a millivolt output proportional to the temperature change. The accuracy spec is solely dependent on the purity of the metals used and the uniformity of the manufacturing process of the MI cable. Quality and rugged thermocouples start with mineral insulated cable, or MI cable. This modern construction replaces the traditional exposed thermocouple lead wires separated with ceramic insulators commonly used years ago. Standard sheath construction of this cable comes in a number of ODs, the most common being 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 inch OD, and in 316 or alloy 600 for higher temperatures. We receive this material in 100-foot coils and have numerous coils of the different thermocouple calibrations, diameters, and materials. The MI cable is cut to length, the junction is made at the one end, and lead wires are made at the other end, referred to as the cold junction. A typical thermocouple looks like this. Starting from the bottom, you have the hot or measurement junction with a welded cap on the end. Lead wires are soldered on the back, and a moisture-resistant potting compound helps seal the back connection from moisture. A spring is added for use in a thermowell and can be removed if needed. Other options include the addition of a thermowell, a protective tube, that is inserted into the process so that the thermocouple can be easily replaced without shutting down the line or process to remove the sensor. Various extension options are available to get the connection head up and away from heat sources so that the terminations can be made in an ambient temperature zone that is safe and convenient. Finally, an optional head-mounted temperature transmitter can be utilized to provide a 4 to 20 milliamp signal rather than running long distances with extension wires to a controller. These are just some of the packaging options available with a typical spring-loaded thermocouple. Oil and gas applications include a variety of thermocouple and RTD opportunities. Focusing on the thermocouple applications, specialty abrasion-resistant coatings on the MI cable are available. Rugged elements designed for high vibration installations can be provided as well. Numerous flanged and threaded well assemblies are usually required for pipeline measurements and process tanks at compressor stations and gas production plants. Specialty exhaust temperature thermocouples are used for monitoring the performance of large compressors and for high pressure applications such as 5,000 to 30,000 psi. We have a wide range of sensors and the ability to test each in-house using our test stand rated to 80,000 psi. Refineries have a wide range of temperature sensor requirements, including boiler and burner surface temperature assemblies with weld pads to monitor for hot spots in the tubes, flanged or threaded thermowells for use in reactors, as well as tanks and pipelines throughout the various units found in a refinery. We also provide a variety of special multi-point assemblies whereby a single tube can contain as many as 40+ measurement points along the length of the assembly. In the power market, we provide a variety of assemblies tailored and designed for the specialized temperature applications in power, These include boiler and burner surface temperature assemblies with weld pads, custom high-pressure well assemblies machined from forged F91 and F22 materials, and pipe well assemblies for measuring large air duct temperatures. Thermocouples are truly a commodity item. The majority of temperature suppliers tend to be regionally located and make products tailored to the industries within their geographic market. It is very hard to be displaced unless you fail in one of the three main requirements: quality, delivery, or price. All of the basic components used in the manufacturing of thermocouples, the MI cable, wire, connection heads, and other components come from a handful of domestic suppliers. This includes those used by SOR. The difference is our manufacturing techniques. Highly skilled welders and assemblers, along with our extensive product knowledge, give us a unique ability to provide a consistently high-quality product at a competitive price.